So again, good evening and welcome to tonight's session. This is Trading for Freedom PH. In this community, we trade not just to achieve our financial freedom, but also to achieve time freedom for our family, depending on what your definition is for you. And for tonight's session po, we will be talking about day trading with Goldie. Again, our main topic is day trading with Goldie. I am Kai and I will be your host for this evening. Just a few house rules. Please let's maintain respect across all the sessions. And if you have questions, you may chat them in. Okay, I will take time to answer them after the full session is over. And you can also have a copy of this recording. I will post this in the YouTube channel. So if you are ready, just type ready in the chat box. Kung ready na ba kayo mag-trade, mag-day trading using Goldie? Okay, ready. So I believe guys, majority of you here are newbies. So pa-type nga po if may Goldie na kayo na access. Okay, pa-type ng Goldie if you have Goldie already. Otherwise, pa-type po ng newbie kung wala pa. Okay, pa-type po ng newbie kung wala pa. Noob. Newbie kung wala pa. Okay, so si Mikey meron na, si Lester, okay, wala, John Paul, Edison, Mama, Francis, okay, Ferds, meron na, Emmy. Okay, so it's a, okay, majority wala pa. Okay, so I will just give you a brief background. Ano nga po ba si Goldie? Kasi we will use Goldie in conjunction to our day trading strategy. Okay, you might not be able to fully grasp the strategy of the day trading without Goldie's background. Okay. So si Goldie po, we have just launched Goldie. And I'm so happy because finally na-launch na po natin si Goldie last week. And our community is now able to use it. In fact, may trading alert po siya kahapon. And we will also discuss that in a while. Ano po ang entries niya. And ano din po ang results. So just a quick background, ano nga po ba si Goldie? Kasi I see a lot of questions in the Facebook group that we have kung automated ba siya, bakit nasa demo, okay? Bakit iba't iba ang lot sizing, okay? Why am I comparing it with my own live account? So, just to give you a brief background, si Goldie po is is an EA or an expert advisor. Isa po siyang algorithm. Okay, naka-code po ang strategy and I named it Goldie. So Goldie is an EA and she is now running on demo account. Naka-VPS po siya para she will be able to trade 24 hours, 7 days a week. So we call her Goldie because she is your trading assistant. She is your good trade setup finder. Tagahanap po siya ng magandang setup. So what she does is when she opens a trade, she will send you an alert via email para ma-check nyo po sa demo account where she is running kung ano po yung position, ano din po yung presyo. You don't copy the lot sizing because it should be in accordance to your capital. Si Goldie po has a $10,000 capital in the demo account. That's why she's able to trade with a lot size of 0.1. However, kung capital niyo po is $200, 0.01 lang. Okay, hope that is clear. Hindi po pwede natin ilagay ang real account. Okay, we cannot ask Goldie to trade on a real account because very volatile po ang gold. Again, very volatile po ang gold. And Goldie only works during a trending na trading environment. Again, it's a trending trading environment. If the market is ranging or naka-range bound po siya, for sure, masa-stop out ka and we will experience a loss. And since we are smarter than any robot, then we can filter and decide if the market is trending now, that's the time we can copy the trades of Goldie. Otherwise, we don't copy her. Is that clear? Patype po ng clear. Hopefully that answers your question kung ano nga po ba si Goldie. So Goldie is an EA, not an AI. He's an EA trading on demo account. She finds the trading setup for you and you can copy. Kasi nga, ang hirap naman na we will just be looking at our charts all the time just to find for our trading setup. So at least Goldie is there to help us. Okay, that's clear. So again, she helps you find a good trading setup for you while you do what matters to you. So just a quick update sa mga nagte-trade na po ng Goldie and sa mga hindi pa po naka-access ng Goldie, this is for transparency. I'll be sharing with you the most recent trade ni Goldie. Okay. Oh, by the way, just a few disclosure statements. Of course, in this community, Trading for Freedom PH, we always want it as transparent as possible, especially po na maraming scammer sa finance industry. And I apologize for those na scam using my name and my profile. Hindi po ako yan. I will be releasing a video to help you identify if ako ba or not, but please be vigilant. Okay, always check for Meta badge, yung check mark in my account to ensure po that you are really indeed talking to me and not somebody else kasi we won't be able to stop them. We can only stop ourselves from being scammed. So just a few disclosure statements. Unang-una po, Forex carries risk. And please only trade capital you can afford to lose. In Forex, it's considered to be high-risk investments. Pwede naman po kumita, pero pwede din po talagang malugi, especially kung bago pa tayo. Secondly, I am not licensed to accept funds. Again, hindi po ako licensed to accept your trading capital. Your trading capital should only be deposited to legit brokers. I won't ask for any investments in any form. Okay? If you pay for my courses, then make sure po that you are sending it to an account that bears my name. Yung GCash na super layo po ng pangalan ko, you should ask yourself, that's not me. Okay? Please take this advice and be vigilant at all times. Also, any trading strategies I will be sharing tonight, okay, would be for learning purposes only and not for investment solicitations. Past performance isn't also indicative of future results. And lastly, for full transparency as well, I may receive compensation such as broker fees or commissions from partner brokers. Whenever you open a trading account under my community affiliate program, then I will receive commissions from the brokers. I use those commissions or fees to help me continuously create educational resources to help our community. Okay, however, this does not influence our educational content, and it is highly encouraged that traders should choose brokers based on their own research and preferences. If you don't like the broker that I'm using, it's fine. It's a free country. Go ahead and use them. Okay. If you agree with all these disclosure statements, patype po ng agree in the chat box. Otherwise, please feel free to exit our meeting. Wala naman pong pilitan. Okay. Agree. Sige. Thank you so much. Now let's go back to the main topic, okay, which is Goldie. We will be talking about two things. I'll give you an update sa most recent trade ni Goldie, and then how can we use Goldie in our day trading strategy? I will explain to that in our second part, and then the last part would be paano nga ba makuha si Goldie if in case you're interested. Okay, so let's begin. This is the most recent trade ni Goldie. Okay, Goldie update as of today, October 14, 2025. So kahapon, nag-entry po si Goldie. I'll share with you. Okay, this is the chart. I'll just show you very quickly what happened kahapon. Okay? And then saan po siya nag-entry? Okay, nasa 40. Ito. Okay, there you go. So, dito po siya nag-entry. Okay? Kahapon na breakout na naman ang all-time high na this area here. The price zone was 4,059. And this area was already tested twice. As you can see, the first test, then second test. Kahapon, na-test din siya 3 times. Okay, the first test was this one. And as per Goldie's instruction or algorithm, automatically nag-open po siya ng buy entry. But na-stop out po siya right away. The second entry was this one. And the same thing, na-stop out din siya. Na-stop loss. The last one was a true breakout. Dito po siya nag-entry. Okay, that was the entry yesterday. That's why po, I can never emphasize this further. That's why we don't put real money in Goldie, because we should be smart enough to identify that these two entries wasn't real breakout, and we should not copy Goldie's trades here. Okay, dito lang po tayo mag-copy because dito po ang true breakout. Does that make sense? Patay po ng clear. Kung, especially for the Goldie users, okay, for the Goldie users, please i-chart nyo po muna before kayo mag-copy. And make sure that it's a real breakout or if the market really is trending. This should have volume. Kasi nga, this happened in the morning. Asian session ito. And most probably in the Asian session, there was no volume. And the first rule in trending markets, volume should confirm the trend. Again, volume should confirm the trend. And this happened around about 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock towards the London session already. Okay, and it should be a complete breakout. The price should close outside of the price range. Okay, very good, clear. So, ito yung, okay, for full transparency, yesterday may dalawang losses siya. Si Goldie, may dalawang losses siya. Kasi nga, whatever happens, emotionless si Goldie, regardless of whatever happens, it will continue to open trades as long as the market or the price fits the filter that was given to her. Okay? Good thing naman, automatically nag-close siya and hindi pa pinatagal yung loss. 'Di ba? Baka naman it was a very rapid loss. Okay? Just to protect our capital, naka-set po siya with a 200 pips na maximum loss. Okay, as you can see, with 0.1 lot size, the maximum drawdown was $200. Dalawang beses po siya na stop out. On the third time, which I would also tell you now, okay, ito din po ang na-observe ko, that with gold, the third test is a real breakout. Okay, so the first test, second test, and the third test was indeed a real breakout. In fact, ito na yung nagtuloy-tuloy. So, nag-open siya ng 4,059.48 na entry. And, okay, that was yesterday. And it closed just this afternoon, this lunchtime. It closed at 4,127 before siya nag-waterfalls. Super bagsak siya, which, let me see. Okay, this one. This candlestick here. Ito siya. This one. This very long candle. And because of this, automatically nag-close si Goldie na trade. And it also sent a exit trade entry to our email alerts para yung mga naka-access ni Goldie maka-close din at the same time. Okay? So the total profit was $684.40. Of course, because the lot size was quite big, then the profit is also big. As of today, naka-gain na siya ng total profit of 3,753 when we started this August. Probably, Addison is asking, dahil po ba talaga kay Trump kaya nagkakagulo market? Oh, well, Trump is the president of United States of America and USA is the strongest currency there is. Okay, it's a king currency. So whatever he say will actually have an impact. And if you can read the news, ang hot topic ngayon is yung tariff with China. Kaya, ayun, that's good for us kasi any movement in the price would be good for traders. Okay? So, yan po ang update ni Goldie. Sa mga pumaldo, sa mga nag-profit, congratulations. Hopefully, this first round of trade let you learn a lot to better entries. Okay, pa-chat nga sino yung nag-take profit kanina, yung mga may access na kay Goldie. Hopefully nga, this would be a good learning experience for you para next time mas maganda yung entries niyo pa rin. Okay? Are you okay? Are you learning? Pa-type ng Goldie if clear ba so far. Pa-type ng Goldie if clear pa. Okay, thank you, Penoy. Okay, sige. May tanong si Marvin Canlas. Magkano po mag-join kay Goldie? Sige, I'll explain po in a while kung paano. Ito si Sir June Lapina, $160 profit. Congratulations, Sir June. I'm so happy po na naka-help po si Goldie sa inyo. Okay. Uy, sunog ka, Bob? Oh no, sorry to hear that. Okay. So, paano nga ba gamitin sa Goldie? So, you just check Goldie's trades. So, you actually will receive an email alert. When you do that, you can go to the demo account where Goldie is logged in. You check her trades. You copy the position and the price as much as possible close to the price kung kaya. Otherwise, you can find other good entries as long as the trend is intact. Don't copy the lot size, please. The lot size is 0.01 for every $200 capital para nasa 10% lang po yung risk natin. When you get the details, okay, you go to your own live account and you manually execute the trade. Okay, you can close when you want to. You can also close when Goldie closes her trade or ayun, trader discretion. Okay, yun po paggamit kay Goldie. Tin, ma'am question, sorry, di pa nag-send ng notif exit. Backup, Tin, you did not accept the request from Google Group kasi dapat included ka sa Google Group to receive the email alerts. Otherwise, baka din po late na po na-add yung email mo to the group. That's why you were not able to receive the email alerts. Kasi nga, hindi siya, yung past emails, hindi mo na ma-receive. Okay, the moment you receive and accepted the request, the succeeding emails na lang ang ma-receive mo. Okay? Sige, let's move on. Okay, so how do we take advantage of this technology? Okay, Goldie is just a tool that we will use. Kailangan pa rin po tayo ang mag-execute in our live account to get actual profits. Okay, so ito po yung actual trade ko. Again, ito po yung actual trade ko in my live account. So instead of just earning $318.40, if I just copy Goldie, by just following the entry price and close when it closes, okay, I will only earn $318. Bakit po 0.05 ang lot size ko? Kasi nasa 1,000 na po yung trading capital ko. So the total, however, instead of earning just this one, okay, I actually gained $500 because I did day trading at the same time with Goldie. Okay, so this is a combination of the swing ni Goldie plus day trading strategy na personal ko. Okay, it is not no one is stopping us to day trade at the same time using Goldie. Goldie kasi based from the strategy is just swing trading style po siya. Swing trading meaning one entry alone unless it closes that one entry. It holds trades for days until weeks. The based from historical data, it holds at an average of 36 hours. That's the second day. And the maximum holding period was 8 days. Okay, so the very important catch, okay, for when you use Goldie, you should be able to hold the trade until the very end. Kasi nga, it's a swing trading style. Okay, so ngayon, paano nga ba natin ma-add pa ang profits natin na hindi lang yung swing trading na Goldie ang profits natin, okay? We can also do the day trading strategy. So, ready na ba kayo? Pa-type ng day. Pa-type ng day if ready na tayo mag-day trading strategy. Sabi ni Edwin Cole, wait, ano yun? Sabi ni June, paano ang day trade, ma'am? Wait, I'll teach you. Okay, I'll teach you. Yes, pwede po kayong mag-avail lahat. Okay, sige, ready na, Miss Kai. Anong account type? Standard po, Miss Emmy. Standard account. Okay, sige. Ito po, okay, before ko po i-explain paano gawin ang day trading, let's understand muna, ano nga po ba ang day trading? Okay, ano nga po ba ang day trading? Okay, wait, let me mute lang po muna everyone, ha? Then mute. Okay, there you go. So, sorry. Bakit po, okay, bakit po ba nagde-day trade tayo sabay kay Goldie? And these are my 3 reasons. Baka din po kasi you will also, you will fully understand bakit tayo nagde-day trade. Unang-una po, okay, we day trade sabay ni Goldie to help us psychologically hold trades for a long time. So if we go back to the concept and the main strategy of Goldie, Goldie holds trades for several days. And it doesn't help with our psychology to look at the profits of Goldie and not getting those profits until the very end. So naisip ko, kasi 'di ba, ang hirap po mag-hold ng winning trade. That's a fact. So what if, naisip ko, well, let's day trade when there is a opportunity para today we already have a win. Okay? Kahit may kahit may existing profits na yung swing trading natin na kinopya kay Goldie, kay meron na tayong win kaagad today. Through our day trading strategy para it helps us hold until the very end kung kailangan na siya mag-close. That's the first, okay, that's the first reason, okay? We can win daily without waiting for Goldie or for our swing trading to close. The second reason po is this is one of the downside probably of trend following strategy is you will not be able to get the maximum profits. Again, you will not be able to get the maximum profits. Bakit? Goldie po kasi or any trend following strategy that is, okay, may trailing stop loss po yan. Okay, in our case, it's the same thing. Wala po tayong exact na stop loss or take profit, okay? Trailing stop loss po tayo. What does that mean? Okay? The stop loss moves actually along with the price. Okay? I'll show you. Hope you can see my trading view. Okay? So, ang trade po kanina, okay? Let's okay. Yes, okay, fine. Okay, ang trade po kahapon and kanina, okay, if you see my post, umabot na po siya ng 1,000 na profits. Okay? Kasi nga, dito siya nag-open ng entry, and then, it got this full swing. Okay? It got this full swing. However, we closed somewhere here. Here. We closed somewhere here. Kaya, naging 600 na lang yung profits natin. Okay? However, at one point in time, umabot na po siya ng 1,100 na dollars na profits. So, in our psychology po, sayang. Na-close na sana natin at 1,100 kesa bumagsak pa siya ng 600. Okay? Ganun po ang trend following strategy. Wala po siyang fixed profit. It will allow, okay, parang we are just opening our arms na market, give me what you can give me in this specific swing. Okay, we wait for the market to give us the amount of profit that we deserve for that swing. Okay, hindi po natin yan makukuha ang full swing. Kasi may dalawang concept yan. If we closed at 1,100, yung tuktok, okay, hindi kasi natin alam, yan na ang tuktok. Baka kasi, continue pa yan aangat. So, sayang. Okay, the market was willing to give you 1,500, but you already closed early at 1,100. So, it's really a play on psychology. So, naisip ko, sa day trading, why not, okay, to fully compensate that we actually close lower than the maximum profits. It's fine kasi we have already received the daily profits with our day trading strategy. Do I make sense? Patay po ng clear kung tama, okay? If you understand me, kung bakit it also helps to have a day trading strategy at the same time. Correct, 'di ba? 'Di ba? It makes sense. Na okay, it's fine to get not to get the 1,100 because it's okay. I'm winning every day with my day trading strategy. Correct? Okay. So with that logic in mind, na-create natin yung day trading strategy. Second point, I am a full-time trader. Okay, when my child is in school, especially right now, okay, we are I'm asking like a tutor to help him. Okay? So may mga days po talaga na wala akong ginagawa. Okay? Because I'm doing this full time. So may oras ako. Okay? I have time. So sayang din naman that I have this opportunity to trade, okay, with my whole day. Why not use it to earn additional profits, 'di ba? And the last reason is, okay, we have to compensate for the transaction cost. Day trading kasi doesn't have swap fee. May spread siya, pero wala siyang swap fee. Swap fee kasi is the overnight fees, which kinakatas nila for a swing trading style. Diba nakita nyo kanina, the $2, okay, because I held this trade for yesterday, okay? So one day, nag $2 siya for the swap. So to compensate for the transaction cost, then at least we have a day trading strategy to really have the maximum benefit and profits at the same time. Clear? Pa-type naman po ng day trading. Day trading. Pa-type po ng day trading. Okay? Ayun. Thank you, Edwin, Charles, and me. Si Goldie, meron swap fee? Opo, meron. Yes. May swap po. It's not unusual for the brokers to ask for swap fee. Okay? Sige. Kasi po, they have to earn from the business. So they could either get that from spreads or for swap. Okay, they could just, at least give us a fair transaction cost. Okay. So if that's clear, then let's go with Diyan rin po ba kayo nagtitrade sa TradingView? Hindi po. Sa MetaTrader 5 po ako nagtitrade. I'm just using TradingView kasi mas maganda yung chart and mas maraming trading tools. Ma'am, paano pala maglagay ng trailing stop loss sa MT5? Sige, we'll discuss. When is the best time of the day in doing the day trading, miss? It would be best if my volume, so meaning London or New York session. Okay, but sometimes, especially ngayon, Asian session pa lang, wow, volume na. But on a regular day-to-day basis, the volume comes during the volatile markets, London and New York, especially the overlap between 8 p.m. to 12 midnight. Okay, so ano nga ba? Ano nga ba ang day trading? Again, ano nga ba ang day trading? So, day trading po is a short-term trading style. Not too short compared to the scalping kasi scalping uses 15 minutes below. Okay, just okay, a few pip change in the market, nag-close na kayo. That's scalping. Ang day trading po is you are typically only taking 1 to 2 trades a day and then you close it when the day is over. Yun po ang day trading. 1 to 2 trades lang po yan and then you close it when the day trading is over. We get profits from short-term price movements through technical analysis. That's different from swing trading kasi nga swing trading, higher time frame, wider profits, wider stop loss. What's critical in day trading po is we should base our target profits or even our stop loss with the average pip movement of the currency or the commodity we are trading. Case in fact, si Goldie po, ang typical pip movement po niya ay nasa 100 to 200 pips a day. Yun po at an average. Okay, nasa 100 po or 1 to 200 po ang pip movement ni Goldie. So, ready na ba kayo kung paano ba gawin ang day trading ni Goldie? Patay po ng Goldie if ready na. Okay, sige, very good. So, first step is use Goldie as your bias. Kung buy po si Goldie, then we will only look for buying opportunities. Okay? Use Goldie as your bias. Kung sell naman po siya, then sell din po tayo. Okay? Use Goldie as our bias. Okay? That's very easy. Ang importante is anong presyo na lang tayo papasok, di ba? And then, sa step 2, go to the 1-hour time frame to draw a trend line. Again, go to the 1-hour time frame and draw a trend line. Kasi nga, Goldie will only work during a trending market. So we have to make sure that we are respecting the trend line. Step 3, go to the 15-minute time frame. Dun po tayo mag-entry. Wait for the candle close of the 15-minute candle. Entry at retest plus candle confirmation. No worry, I'll show you an example. Again, entry at retest plus candle confirmation. In my case po, ito po ang ginagawa ko. Okay? I have $1,000 na kapital sa trading account ko. So I can afford my 10% risk, my 20% risk. My 20% risk is $200. Okay, $200 po. $200. So I am dividing po my position into 2. Okay? Yung 0.10, okay, dalawang position siya. 0.05 for my swing trading, which will have a maximum loss of $100. And my day trading will have 2 entries, 0.03 plus 0.02. So, if you sum that up, 0.05 pa rin siya. So, I only break down the 0.10 na maximum lot size ko for my $1,000 na capital na risk. Kasi nga, 20% lang ang kaya kong i-risk sa 1,000. So, ang 0.05, okay, that is already reserved sa swing trading ko with Goldie. And I have two positions na pwedeng pang day trading, 0.03 and 0.02. Clear? Okay, so dalawang entries lang po ang ginagawa ko. You can create your own strategy, but this is what works for me. Okay? So, kailan ba tayo mag-exit? So, my target is $100. My target is $100. 80 to 100 pips lang. Or, yun nga, nasa $100 po ang target ko. We also exit when structure is not sustained, meaning the support is not holding, hindi na po siya intact, and the price is going down. If it's an uptrend, then we close the entry, considered as a loss. Okay, you can take a screenshot of this for your guide, but I'll explain to you po an example. Okay, ready? Patay po ng ready for the example. Ready. Okay, so this is po my actual day trading strategy. Okay? So, una, okay, dito po, ito po, this was 4,060. Ito po ang swing trade ko. Dito ako nag-entry with a 0.05 na lot size. Okay? Ang sinasabi ko pong retest is ganito. Nag-breakout, nag-retest. After this candlestick here, nag-entry ako. This is my day trading entry with 0.03 na lot size. Okay? After that, nag-breakout, nag-retest. Okay? Diba? Role reversal of the market. The behavior of the market is the previous na resistance kapag mag-breakout will now turn into support. So, dito ako nag-entry. This is my second entry with 0.02 na lot size. Okay? And then, this support area here should hold. Otherwise, I will be out. I-out ko na siya. Kasi, if hindi niya ito ma-respect, meaning hindi na siya uptrend. And this trend line here should be respected. Okay? Ito yung parang trailing stop loss ko. Clear? Once my entry reaches $100, I will close. Yun na, I'm done for the day. Kahit tuluyan pa yan siyang umangat in my favor, I will never hold back. Tomorrow na ako titingin. Okay, so the next day, same thing. When it breaks out, okay, and then retest, dito ako mag-entry sa retest. When it breaks out, okay, retest, dito ako mag-entry. Sorry po ulit, ma'am. Okay, no problem. Saan ang SL, ma'am? Sige, sige. Okay. So again, breakout, retest. Dito ako mag-entry. Breakout, retest. Dito ako mag-entry. And once ma-hit na niya yung $100 ko na target, out na ako. The next day ulit. Okay, nag-breakout, retest. Okay, di ba? This area here is more or less, okay, this is the resistance. Nag-breakout, more or less, dito na siya mag-support. So, dito ako mag-entry. Okay? Then, breakout ulit. Then, here. Yes, this is gold. Sorry, this is gold. Dito ako mag-entry. And then, here, dito ako mag-entry. Okay? So, you will wait for the retest or when it hits the trend line. Your trend line should also be your stop loss. If the price, okay, goes beyond the trend line, then close ka na. Meaning, hindi na yan siya uptrend. Okay, by the way, this is in the 15-minute time frame. Oo nga. Ay, ngayon ba? Oh, okay. Ano na ba siya? Oops. Okay, nagre-ranging na si gold. So, baka either this is just a pause or baka babagsak na to. Okay, so ang signal po ni Goldie po is isa lang. Isa lang. Ito po ang entry ni Goldie. Ito. 4,059. Ito po ang entry niya. So, dito ka din papasok. Okay? But that's not stopping us to add more entries upon pullback or retest. So, di ba, dito mag-entry, pwede ka dito mag-entry, okay, dito mag-entry. So, you actually wait for a pullback, then you add more entries. Yun po ang day trading. Okay? While this is ongoing, that's increasing its profit. Okay? Kasi nga, kailan ba siya nag-out? Dito siya nag-out eh. Or somewhere there. Okay? So, what is stopping us from taking advantage of this full swing? Every time bumabagsak siya ng konti, then we add more entries. Clear? Clear po ba? Out na po yung 3 nyong entry pag naka... Yes, correct, Chris. Out na po yung dalawang entry lang actually ako. 0.03 and 0.02. Once this hits $100, I'm out na. Susundan ba namin yung signal? Bale, Goldie will give you the bias. Kung Goldie is buy, then buy din kayo. Ma'am, hindi ba kayo natingin sa 5-minute? No. Hindi na. 15-minute lang. Parang ang dali lang matutunan, ma'am, pag kayo nag-explain. Kaya nyo yan. Uy, practice lang. Si swing trade, ma'am, after 100 pips close na, no. Wala pong target profit si swing trading. Si Goldie po, wala siyang target profit. May trailing stop loss siya. As long as na-hit yung trailing stop loss niya, out na siya. Then yung swing trade nyo po na-retain, yes. So my swing trade is retained while it's gaining. I add more entries every day and then I close it. Para for that specific day, I have a win, di ba? I have a potential earn of $100 per day as Goldie is holding my trade every day. So if Goldie holds trades within like 5 days, then I have a $500, diba? Depende if the market will give it to you. But at least you have like more or less okay, $100 na target for that specific day if the market will give it to you. Okay? But of course, depende talaga sa market yan. Miss Kai, kapag ba nag-TF na si Goldie, mano din mag-TP? Yes, mites. Kaya po, I would highly suggest na you should have like at least a basic technical analysis or charting before po kayo mag-trade ni Goldie. Kasi nga, at the end of the day, you should have the best, ano ba? It's your decision if mag-manual execution kayo or not. Kayo po ang pipindot. Magbibigay lang po ng signal si Goldie. But you have to decide if this is a good setup or not. Okay, by making sure that it is a real breakout or it's a trending market. May trailing stop loss po ba sa MT5 sa phone? So Marvin, right now, I'm finding a way na makikita nyo ang trailing stop loss na Goldie. It's a limitation, okay, ni MT5. In my MT5 trading, sorry, in my MT5 platform, I can see it, but in your case, hindi pa. So I'm finding a way for you to know saan nga ba ang trading stop loss ngayon. Okay, for now, whenever you enter Goldie's trade, for example here, automatically, okay, lagay kayo ng 200 pips na loss. Okay, that's the maximum loss kasi. Okay, and then when the trend, okay, continues with its plan na uptrend, then yung trading stop loss po umaangat. Then, ano po, what I do is, okay, to ensure, to ensure po, nga kahit hindi nyo po makakita ang trading stop loss ni Goldie, okay, ano po, magamit po kayo ng trend line. Gamit po kayo ng trend line. Okay? Ito po. Okay? Ano ba yan? So, you go to, pwede trading view, okay? Gamit kayo ng trend line, okay? So, kanina, ito po yung trend line kanina. Kasi alam na natin to, this touch point here and this touch point here, okay? This one, you can set alert sa trend line. Kapag nadaanan niya ito, then it will send you a signal and you can close the trade. This is by the way 1 hour candle. If the candle closed below the trend line, you can close. Pero dito din po nag-close si Goldie. Nag-send po siya ng alert na close na kasi nga hindi na siya uptrend. Kailan po tayo mag-TP sa swing trade? Yun po. Okay, so you can put in the trend line. Pwede din po trader's discretion or pwede din po hintayin nyo si Goldie mag-close, but the trend line alert is also good enough. At least may idea na kayo na, okay, when this is broken down or broken out, then out na. So basically, dapat nakabantay sarado din kapag naka-enter si trade. Okay, Mikes. Kung magsiswing trading ka kay Goldie, hindi kailangan na nakabantay sarado ka. Okay lang naman as long as when Goldie will send you an alert, makikita mo. Okay? Worst case scenario, kung babalik yan siya sa pabagsak, the maximum loss you'll have is 200 pips, but hopefully, na-move mo na ang stop loss to break even. Yun ang siguro the worst case scenario. Yung day trading po, I have to let you know that kailangan po nakatuto kayo sa chart when you are doing the day trading. If it's not possible, then don't do the day trading. Kasi nga, you have to decide if you stay in the trade or not. Kung magti-take profit ka na ba or not. Ganun po siya because you are just trading along what the price or what the market gives you. Okay? Saan ho ang broker makuha si Goldie? Sa Vantage or XM? Vantage lang po muna. Why don't you also have an exclusive group where we pay a certain amount monthly para lang po sa willing? All you have to do, ma'am, is send us a signal. Sige po, I'll think about it po. Sa day trading ba? Sa day trading? Sa signal sa day trading? Ayos lang po kaya ni Goldie out of curiosity. Pwede din siya sa crypto. That's a good question, John Paul. I tried it with crypto sa backtesting. Ano siya, break even lang. It didn't give a good enough backtesting result, so it doesn't make sense to put forward testing with it with crypto. Pwede po demo ma'am paano maglagay ng 200 stop loss sa MT5. Kung trailing stop po, ilang pips po pwede. Free lang po ba yun si Goldie? Where to find Goldie? Okay. 2,000 points. Yes, Marl. 2,000 points is 200 pips. Yeah, that's right. Okay. So, ito po, important notes. If you want to do day trading along with Goldie. Okay? Unang-una po, only for those with time available to manage trades accordingly. Kasi nga po, day trading siya. You should have like enough time to look at your trades once in a while the whole day. So, pwede siya for full-time traders. Or kung trabaho mo po is nasa computer lang, then you can check, diba? Why not? Second thing po is trailing stop loss. Know when the setup has been invalidated, which is our trend line. If the trend line is not respected, hindi siya intact, out ka na. Lastly, best to have a separate account from swing trading, if not possible. Then capital should be substantial and position is well calculated. So I don't suggest po kung $200 po ang okay, don't day trade kung $200 po ang capital. Wag po. I cannot emphasize this further. Baka po, okay, if you will lose those trades, kay mahirap na po kasi yan mabawi. Kasi you'll be risking more than 20%. I suggest po you day trade using $400. Okay? The $200, okay, you use that for your day trade. The other $200 is for your swing trading. Para you can have like 0.01 for your swing trading and dalawang 0.01 din for your day trading. Make sure lang you know which ones to close, ha? Kung anong trade ang day trading dyan at anong trade ang swing trading. Mas maganda if you have a separate account to do that. Okay? Otherwise, please be responsible to your trading capital kasi ayoko pong makita na nasunog kayo because of that, diba? So, we have to be responsible. So, in my case po, nasa 1,000 na kasi yung trading capital ko. So, I risk 200% or $200 or 20%. So, my lot size now is 0.10, 0.05 for my swing, and 0.05 for my day trades. So, if I open two entries, then 0.03 yan and 0.02. Okay? Ma'am, kapag nag-set sa 15 minutes si Goldie, magbabato din po ba siya ng signal alert? Lidong siya. Si Goldie po will only send you signal for the swing trading setup. For the day trading setup po, ikaw na po ang maghanap. Paano po kung swing trading gamitin, ma'am? Pwede ba si Goldie? Yes, pwede. Hi, Miss Kai. First time ko nag-join dito. Paano po mag-join? Okay, sige. So, how do you get Goldie? Ito po. Unang-una po, you can open trading account under my community link. Okay? I'll be asking you a favor, guys. I am making this available to everyone for free. Again, libre na po ito. Okay? Ginawa ko po ito with the objective na makatulong. Okay? I mean, personally, I want to use it kasi ayoko nang maghanap ng trading setup. So, I am now extending this service to everyone. So, ang request ko na lang po is, please only use the approved broker. Okay, yung partner broker ko para may commissions din po akong matanggap in terms of maintenance kasi nga I have to pay for the VPS and all the innovations. Baka next time pwede na natin lagyan ng trading stop loss. But of course, we need fees for that. So hindi na po kayo ang magbabayad for the fee to use the Goldie. Si broker na po. Kaya request ko lang po is gamitin yung partner broker ko. Kasi sometimes, mag-share ng profits, pero hindi po yung partner broker ang ginamit. So, it's very, heartbreaking kasi pinaghirapan mo yung isang, I invented this thing and parang hindi makukuha lang siya for free na hindi ko siya na-approve. Okay? I mean, I have every right to tell you which ones to use, diba? Kasi nga, do you get my point? Let's just be fair to each other. Yeah, so yeah, so I'm making it available already for free. So sana naman you use the approved broker that I have. Yes. Baka next time, pababayarin ko na lang kayo sa gamit, diba? So I don't also want to do that na may fee pa. May subscription. So, eto, libre na, pero si broker na magbabayad for our maintenance and other stuff. Okay? So, once you open a trading account, please use my referral code. Then, please fund minimum of $200. You can naman po fund more than 200, pero kung newbie ka pa or like kaka-try mo pa lang mag-trade, you start muna with 200. Then you can add later on. Okay? If confident ka na, then go ahead, put more money, but yun lang. We test it first, you get the confidence, then later on, you can add naman. Okay, for now, okay lang lagyan ng 200 at least hindi masyadong malaki ba? Diba? Kasi nagte-testing pa lang. And then lastly, please submit this form. Once you submit this, okay, may admin tayo will approve it. Follow lang po kayo sa email. So the email will send you a very short video of how Goldie works para just a review. Then, nilalagay din po ang credentials for the demo account para malagin nyo siya sa demo account. Okay? Once malagin nyo na po, okay, the first approval is the email. Then the second one is yung Google group. So you will receive two things. Again, for the approval, okay, you will receive two emails. Okay, one email is from me, which will contain the credentials of the demo account in a video. The other email is from Google Group. Okay? Ano po siya? Google Group Gold Gold Miner. Okay? So when you accept this request, automatically when Gold will have a new entry, you will receive an email alert. Kapag mag-close din po siya, you will also receive an email alert. Si XM po, I'm still finalizing po our, yung issues ko kasi with a broker account. So, na-fix na po namin, but I'll post po final announcement in the coming days. So, wait na lang po kayo. For now, let's use Vantage na po muna. May VPS po ba required using Goldie? So, wala po. Kasi VPS po is for the demo account or kung automated siya. So, ang VPS po is for Goldie lang. Hindi po sa account nyo. Again, let me be clear. Ako po, I am paying for the VPS because Goldie is running on a demo account 24 hours, 7 days a week para po siya tagabantay ng market. Okay? 24 hours, tagahanap siya ng setup. Kaya, she should be running in VPS. In our case, since manual trading tayo, no need for the VPS. Hindi naman po tayo automated. Clear po ba yon? So, no VPS po. Si Goldie lang ang may VPS. Tayo, wala. Kasi automated naman. Kung video account ko po, may commission din po ba? Yes, opo. So, whatever way of payment channel nyo po nag-deposit sa account nyo in your Vantage account, then the broker po will provide commissions po. Will it work po ba sa Canada? So, Darwin, there are a lot of, may certain restrictions to different countries. Okay, one of the stricter ones are US, Canada, Australia, New Zealand. So may ibang regulation. Si Vantage po is approved for Filipinos. So if you still have Philippine ID, okay, then you can use that, choose the residence na nasa Philippine ID nyo, your address, okay? But when you deposit, you use the VPN. So pwede po siya sa Canada as long as may Philippine ID pa kayo to show your identification and for your verification. So you can actually use wherever you are across the world as long as may Philippine ID pa kayo. Ma'am, may commission po ba ang mga local banks? Yes po. When I say local banks, bangko o dito sa UAE. Yes po, as long as you can deposit. Paano po ma-add sa Google Group para sa alert? So, mail-in or maligtas. When you are approved to use Goldie, okay, submit this form muna. We will receive your request. Then, once you are indeed under our community affiliate program, plus may minimum deposit po kayo ng $200, then you will be approved. Once approved, may ma-receive po kayong Google Group na request. Please accept that para once may email alert, you will also receive. Okay, Brian. Okay, I also received this question from a lot of our students. Ma'am, need help po later for you as a client. Wala pong Philippine ID and address. So, Brian, I am already speaking with a broker that might work in your country while using your ID na non-Philippine. Okay, so kausapin ko muna if they are okay to use. Okay, I'll check it first. I'll use it for now, and then I'll let you know if okay naman yung platform nila, nakaka-withdraw. Okay, then once mo okay na, then I'll post it po para yun pong broker ang gamitin nyo. Sabi ni Mikey, wala po ako na-receive na Google Group, ma'am. Sige, can you PM me with your email address para ma-check ko? Yung Do Prime po, broker. Yes, so Do Prime is also a broker. Wala po ako na-receive para sa Google Group. Mail Lenore. Ma'am, regarding Google Group, ma'am, pwede po magpa-resend. Sige, sure. Can you send me your email addresses? I-check ko siya ngayon. Baka kasi naka-pending lang. Check nyo po sa spam. Kasi once na-approve na kayo sa request, automatically kasi ilalagay yung email nyo sa Google Group. Ma'am, pwede phone trading? Pwede. Pwede. Pwede phone. Pero syempre, mas maganda kung desktop para mas malaki yung chart. Bali, kayo lang po may EA, ma'am. Kayo na magbabato. Yes, Bob, that's right. Pero, I'm also working on an EA, like an automated trading right now, pero naka-forward test pa siya. So, next year, baka. Tingnan natin. For now, si Goldie na lang muna. Ha? Ganun po ba? May Vantage account na po ako. Example po, gusto ko magkuha ng signal. So if you have like a Vantage account na, then please email them to transfer under me. If you're okay with that, ha? So you can actually transfer under me kung may existing na kayo na broker account with Vantage. Okay, I'll send you this email template. Okay, you can use this one. Okay. Na-approve na po ako, ma'am. Okay. Sige po, pa-email na, PM nyo po yung email address nyo para I can check sa Google Group if na-add na. How long po bago ma-approve? Actually, the admin approves naman daily. So, you will be approved right away. And besides, ngayon, kaka-close lang ni Goldie. So, baka tomorrow or the next day pa mag-open ulit. So, by the way, si Goldie opens 5 to 7 trades in a month. Okay? And then, naka 1 hour time frame din naman siya. So, you have enough time to chart or like if in case hindi mo receive yung alert. Meron daw akong existing account sa Vantage or meron din IB. Can I open another account inside Vantage? Yes. Ogi, email lang po sa kanila. You can use the same account. Now, ano po ibig sabihin ng lot size? Okay. Ang lot size po is trade size. Trade size po siya. So, if you have $200, yung lot size mo is 0.01. Our maximum stop loss is 200 pips or 2,000 points. If our maximum loss will be hit, you will only lose $20. That's 10% of $200. Okay? So, yun po ang pinaka-importante. You should only use 0.01 for every $200. If maglagay kayo ng $400, then 0.02. Okay? Then, i-increase yung lot sizing mo. Yun po ang equivalent. Okay, paano kung benta mo na lang po si Goldie? Paano kung ibenta ko na lang? Bakit ko siya ibebenta? If we transfer our Vantage account under you, what's the next step after that? Fund na po. Or if may fund ka na, then scan this one. Ma'am, katong ako awa jud ko'y nadawat na confirmation email from Vantage pero as per you, okay na transfer na siya under your name. Please confirm, ma'am, ugma pohon mag-deposit na ko. Yes, but as long as we confirm that is under us, then okay ka na. Okay, baka iprenda. Baka iprenda si Gaudi. Wag naman. I mean, diba, na-create namin to with our heart and soul. And so, I wouldn't want to sell it to other people. Ako kasi akong strategy ko kasi to, pero my husband is the one who coded it. So it's really a group effort. So it was made out of love, guys. Okay, so kaya na-heartbroken ako na kapag you'll be using a different broker na parang libre na nga, tapos, di ba, nanakawin pa. So, sana naman. Ma'am, familiar boses mo, nag-DJ, bakit mo alam? Yeah, before. Nung na-heartbroken ako, nung several years ago, wala akong magawa. So, nag-DJ ako ng a few months lang naman, or like a year. Yes po, sir. Pero very, ano na, matagal na siya actually. Okay, any more questions? Sige, nag-PM si Mikey. Check ko ha. Kung member na ba? Wala nga. Hindi ka na-add? Okay, sige, I'll check this one. Okay. Okay, any more questions before we go? Guys, may question pa ba? Para baka pwede pang mag-trade. Yes! Pwede pa tayong mag-sell. Michael Rosales. Okay, there you go. Yeah, approved nga. Hindi ka nalagay, friend. Hindi ka nalagay sa Google Group, friend. Ayun. Sir, nasend ko na, Sir Michael. Pa-check na lang po. Okay, sino pa ba to? Magkano commission advantage po? Currently using XM po. Hindi ko alam yung computation. Ma'am, dalawa po account ko sa Vantage. Pwede po gamitin dalawa. Pwede. Basta under ka sa akin, no problem. Kung maglagay ng SL sa Goldie, dapat hindi malapit sa entry. Oo, 200 pips po from your entry. Dapat ang SL. Live trade please. Wala na oras. Uy, next week. Thursday na. Live trade tayo for sure. May bonus ba si Vantage na binibigay? Yeah. You go to promotions. If you registered, okay, for first time registrants, you can have a 50% bonus. Diba? Miss Kay, baka pwede mapanood yung trade mo tonight. Hmm. Nag-fill up na ako ng form. Okay, meron pa. Ha 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 ha. Wait, tingnan ko kung may magandang setup. Otherwise, wag natin pilitin. Um, oh. So, ano kasi ako? Gusto ko mag-sell sana. Tingnan natin dito. This is nice. So, tingnan natin if mag-breakout. Pero baka matagal pa. So, if the price will break down, tapos ang RSI is below 50, then pwede ka mag-sell. Dapat ano ha, the candle should close beyond 4,098. Kung ano naman, kung hindi, if mag-breakout naman siya pataas, pwede din, you can buy. Real breakout dapat, and then RSI should be above 50. So, yun lang. Hintayin mo na lang siya mag-breakout either way, or pa-alert ka para hindi ka nakatingin. Pero I think parang ano, wala na siyang volume. Parang nag-move na siya kanina. Pagod na siya. Balik kung lagay ka ng 200, magiging 300 po. 50% yes, right. Saan po binabato yung signal ni Goldie? Sa email po. Pero may login credentials ka din sa demo account. So, pwede mo siya makita sa demo account. Okay? Yung gumaganda si Madam pag napipilitan mag-trade. RSI lang indicator mo, yes po. Miss Kai, question, yes. Trendline and RSI lang gamit indicator, yes. When do you draw or support? When do you draw support and resistance? Sige, last question na ha before we go. When do you draw support and resistance? 1 hour. Sa 1 hour. So, if mag-swing trading ka, punta ka sa 1 hour, ano kasi siya? Diba? You go back from the concept of true market structure. Okay? If uptrend yan, it will continue to create higher high and higher low. Okay? So, if nag-breakout siya dito, for example, okay, if babalik man siya dyan, okay, if pag-retest man siya, dapat dito lang talaga ang pinakamalalim niya na retest. If this is a true uptrend, okay? And then, ito din, for example, ito na 'di ba yung parang higher low. Dapat hindi na siya mag-create pa ng lower. Okay, so this becomes your support. And then previously should be resistance. Pero kasi super paspas ke siya mosaka. So dili kayo nindot yung pagka-uptrend. Okay, super super steep. Okay, so if this is the resistance, this is the support, okay, kapag babalikan niya yan, dapat dito lang. Okay, dapat dito lang sana. Okay, dapat dito lang sana. Kasi ito eh. This is the this is the resistance. If ma-breakout niya, this should be your new support. But apparently, it closed lower than this. So with this alone, this is a sign na, oh, baka change. This is a sign of reversal na. Ma'am Kay, pwede po sa Telegram yung signal. Ah, madaming ano dun eh. Madaming scammer sa Telegram. May ano po ako, may Discord channel tayo. Sa Discord channel, nagpo-post po ako doon ng mga charts, okay? Tsaka kung anong mga next entries, okay? I'll try to post my day trades para makasabay kayo. Pero mabilisan lang din kasi siya. Like mga 2 hours lang, 2 to 4 hours. Okay. So, but I'll chart po so you would see the zone of interest. Okay, na gusto kong pasukan if ever magde-day trade ako. Okay, so as long as you have a trading account under me, then you're already inside the Discord channel. Okay, guys? Clear na ba? Okay, so if may goldie na kayo, make sure na